How to add Calendly to system.io. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add your Calendly pop-ups over here or your Calendly meetings into system.io. They're one of their pages. So over here, I have a page, and look over here on the left side, you have elements. Scrolling down, you will be able to see that we are actually able to add raw HTML. So simply add this into your website. I'm not sure where it's added, but let's try adding it. There we go. So we have this raw HTML. Double click it, and then over here, let's simply look where we have the option here, edit code. So simply go over here back in Calendly, click on share, add the website, inline embed, and copy this URL over here or HTML code. Paste that, click on save, and you should be able to add your Calendly into your system.io page over here. So you can only see this when your page is running. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.